Hello and welcome to Fremmer IELTS. In this video, we will practice IELTS writing task 2. I will show you how to understand the question, structure your essay clearly, and write a high-scoring response using Band 9 vocabulary, grammar, and ideas. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and share to support your IELTS preparation. Now let's look at this IELTS writing task to sample question. As you can see on the board, the topic discusses university education and whether it should be free for everyone or whether students should pay for their own studies. The question clearly says, discuss both views and give your opinion. This means that you must explain both sides of the argument and then clearly state your own opinion. Before writing the essay, it is important to identify the task type. In this case, it is a discuss both views essay, which requires you to present to different perspectives and support your ideas with logical reasons and examples. For this type of task to essay, a strong answer usually has 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction, where you paraphrase the question and briefly state your opinion. The second paragraph explains the first view, which is why some people believe university education should be free. The third paragraph explains the second view, which is why others think students should pay for their education. The final paragraph is the conclusion, where you summarize the discussion and restate your opinion clearly. To achieve a high band score, you should focus on several key points. First, answer the question directly and clearly present your opinion. Second, develop your ideas with logical explanations and relevant examples. Third, use a good range of academic vocabulary and accurate grammar. Finally, organize your essay clearly so that your ideas flow logically from one paragraph to another. Once you understand the question, identify the 2 viewpoints, and organize your essay clearly, you will be ready to write a strong IELTS writing task to response. Now let's write the answer for this task too, so you can see how a high-scoring essay is structured, including the vocabulary, grammar, and logical development required for a higher band score. This is our first paragraph, the introduction, and it plays a very important role in IELTS writing task 2 because it shows the examiner that I clearly understand the question and can present my opinion in a clear and academic way. First, I begin by paraphrasing the question instead of copying it directly. For example, I use the expression has become a widely debated issue in many societies, which is more advanced and academic. This demonstrates a strong range of vocabulary and helps create a natural introduction to the topic. Next, I introduce both views of the argument. The sentence, while some people believe that higher education should be fully funded by governments, others argue that students should bear the cost of their own studies, clearly presents the 2 perspectives mentioned in the question. The use of the linking word while helps create a complex sentence structure, which is important for achieving a high band score in grammar. Finally, I clearly present my opinion, which is essential for this type of essay. The phrase in my opinion makes my position clear. And the sentence structure, although free education can create equal opportunities, Students should contribute at least part of the course, shows the use of a complex sentence with contrast, which demonstrates strong grammatical range. Overall, this introduction is effective because it includes clear paraphrasing, balanced presentation of both views, advanced vocabulary, and complex sentence structures. These elements are essential for achieving a Band 8 or Band 9 score in IELTS Writing Task 2. Now let's move on to the second paragraph, where the first view is discussed and the reasons why some people believe university education should be free are explained. Now let's analyze the second paragraph, which focuses on the first view of the argument. This paragraph begins with the linking expression on the one hand, which is very important in a discuss both views essay, because it clearly signals that one side of the argument is being presented. Using these types of linking phrases improves coherence and organization, which are important criteria for a high band score. The first sentence introduces the main idea clearly. Many people believe that university education should be free because it promotes equal access to learning opportunities. This sentence presents a strong and clear argument while using academic vocabulary such as promotes, equal access, and learning opportunities. These expressions demonstrate a good range of lexical resources. The second sentence develops the idea further by providing a logical explanation. When tuition fees are eliminated, students from less affluent backgrounds can pursue higher education without financial barriers. Here, the phrase less affluent backgrounds is an advanced way to refer to poorer families, and financial barriers is a precise academic expression commonly used in IELTS essays. The third sentence shows the result or consequence of this situation. The connector as a result helps link the ideas logically and improves the flow of the paragraph. The phrase a more educated workforce and expressions such as economic growth and social development demonstrate strong academic vocabulary and topic-related language. Overall, this paragraph is effective because it presents a clear main idea, develops it with logical explanation, uses appropriate linking words, and includes advanced vocabulary and well-structured complex sentences. These features are essential for achieving a high band score in IELTS Writing Task 2. Now let's move on to the next paragraph, where the second view of the argument is presented and the reasons why some people believe students should pay for their university education are explained. Now let's analyze the third paragraph, which presents the second view of the argument. This paragraph begins with the linking phrase on the other hand, which clearly introduces the opposite perspective. Using connectors like this is important in IELTS essays because it improves coherence and logical organization, helping the reader easily follow the discussion. The first sentence introduces the main idea. Others argue that students should pay for their own education because university degrees often lead to better career prospects and higher incomes. This sentence clearly explains the reason behind this opinion and uses strong academic vocabulary such as career prospects and higher incomes, which demonstrates a good range of lexical resources. The second sentence develops the argument further. Since graduates personally benefit from their education, it is reasonable for them to share the financial responsibility. The use of since creates a complex sentence and shows cause and effect, which is important for demonstrating a strong range of grammar. The third sentence adds another supporting idea, using the connector moreover, which helps maintain smooth progression between ideas. The phrase take their studies more seriously and value the education they receive show clear and natural academic language. Overall, this paragraph is effective because it presents the opposite view clearly, develops the argument with logical explanations, and uses varied vocabulary, cohesive devices, and complex sentence structures, which are key features of a high band score in IELTS Writing Task 2. Now let's move on to the final paragraph, where the conclusion summarizes the main ideas and clearly restates the overall opinion. Now let's analyze the conclusion paragraph. The paragraph begins with the phrase in conclusion, which clearly signals the final part of the essay. Using this type of connector helps the essay remain well organized and easy to follow. In this sentence, the main ideas of the essay are briefly summarized without repeating the same sentences from the body paragraphs. The structure, although providing free university education, can help create equal opportunities for students, acknowledges the first viewpoint, while the phrase "I believe that individuals should contribute to the cost of their studies" clearly restates the final opinion. The sentence also uses advanced academic vocabulary such as equal opportunities, contribute to the cost, and significant personal and professional benefits. These expressions show a strong lexical range, which is important for achieving a high band score. Grammatically, the sentence is well constructed, using a complex sentence structure with contrast, beginning with although and followed by the main clause. This demonstrates a good range of grammar and helps the conclusion sound natural and fluent. This conclusion is effective because it summarizes the discussion clearly, restates the opinion, and uses strong vocabulary and complex grammar, which are important features of a Band 8 or Band 9 IELTS Writing Task 2 essay. Overall, this essay can achieve a high band score because it follows a clear structure with an introduction, well-developed body paragraphs, and a strong conclusion. The ideas are logically organized and supported with clear explanations. In addition, the essay uses a good range of academic vocabulary, linking words, and complex sentence structures, which demonstrate strong grammar, coherence, and lexical range required for a Band 8 or Band 9 IELTS Writing Task to score. That brings us to the end of this IELTS Writing Task to practice. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Fremmer IELTS, like the video, and leave a comment below with your target band score. Also, share this video with others preparing for IELTS, so they can improve their writing too.